Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. I have the new Avery Elle release and I have some special bundles for you. So I have some stamp and die bundles you can get at a discount price. So head on over to Not Too Shabby and check it out. I'll share what I have, and I think this release is really cute. I am in love. So this is astronauts. How cute is that? So this is the die that you can get with the stamp as a bundle, and it even cuts out the little wind swooshes here and the little constellations. It cuts out the little moon, so you can put that at the bottom of your card and create a cute scene. We've got sentiments that say, have a stellar birthday, you're out of this world, have a blast today, to an astronomically good friend. And I have this die in stock from CC Designs that I think is going to go perfect with this stamp set. Let me grab it for you so you can check that out. Okay, see how cute this is? These are dies, so it'll cut out this planet, and then it's got these little spaceships and stuff. Wouldn't that go perfect with this? So I have a couple in stock. Then we've got the hot dog stamp and die. Look how cute these little hot dogs are. This one's got a pile of presents on its back. Party hat. They all have party hats. And this one's carrying a present in its mouth. There's a little poodle coming out of a present. And this one's balancing a cake on its nose. And then look at that cute little balloon, puppy dog head balloon. There's a little bone. And then some sentiments here. It's your birthday. I rough you. Hot dog. Your top dog today. Yappy birthday. Sorry, I forgot your birthday. And who's a good boy? I love this fairy one. This is so cute. It's called Fairy Happy. And I love this piece right here. It's got the coordinating die to cut in between the flowers there. There's a nice mushroom and 3 cute fairies, some fairy dust, butterflies, a snail, some foliage. We've got sentiment, you are magical, hello, make a wish, and wishing you a very happy day. And this one is my favorite one. This is the Peekaboo Fair. Look at how cute that is. I've never seen anything like it, so it is very unique, super fun. So these are bumper cars. You put your little Peekaboo pals in there. They come with little paws that you can put right over. So it looks like he's sitting in there. And then the Ferris wheel, how cute is that? Put your little Peekaboo pals in there. There's some cotton candy. And then some stars, a little flag that you can put behind your bumper car there. And then all these sentiments are small, and you could probably fit them right here into the little cart if you wanted to. We've got I miss, so great, bumping by to say hi, bumping into you. So I miss, bumping into you. You could pair those together. Have fun, have a really happy birthday, wishing you a magical day, and enjoy the ride. And then here is the coordinating die, and look at that, it cuts out all these pieces on the inside of this wheel. You get all your dies to cut out your parts. Super, super cute. I love this one. There is a speech bubble stamp set that would go really cute. Those little small stamps could fit inside there. All my love, I'm here for you. Simply superb, make a wish, you are the best. Missing you, high five, thank you, feel better, and hello my friend. You get the speech bubble facing both ways to add to your characters. So that's just a stamp set. We've got sweet swines, we've got cute piggies, one's on a scooter, there's a balloon, a banner. We've got a lot of birthday things here for a birthday card. We've got balloons, flags, a bouquet of flowers, an envelope. We've got the sentiments that say hooray, XOXO, thank you, yippee, awesome, be my Valentine, love you, go hog wild, and this calls for cake. And then the coordinating die, and you see that the die will cut out in between the little scooter there and the pig. Here's another one of my favorites. I just love the Peekaboo line. And this is Peekaboo Jungle. We've got your jungle characters, their little paws. There's a little jungle leaf there. And then a nice banner. There's a little heart. We've got the sentiments that read, from the bottom of my heart, sending lots of hugs. Have a great day and love you fiercely. Wild birthday wishes, and simply wild about you. And then this is the coordinating die set that you can get as a bundle. This one's very, very sweet, very cute. It's called Very Good Friends. Look at that cute bear. He's on his little back there with his tummy exposed, and you can have these little critters playing on top of his belly. This one here can be peeking over his belly. And then sweet little squirrel. We've got a little mouse, a bunny rabbit, another mouse, a little fox in the play pose. Just super cute. There's a bee, a snail, some grass, a flower, hearts, a little trail. And then the sentiments read, hello friend, so glad we're friends. I'm here for you and happy birthday. And then there is the coordinating die for that one. And I think you could probably even stamp him up like this, up against a tree, like he's rubbing his back like the bears do. That would be really cute. And then we've got the sunflowers. So really pretty sunflowers, and I love this little swirly, it looks like little twine that's swirled up. And then there's some little sprigs there that you can add and make a beautiful wreath. There's a little butterfly. We've got some extra leaves in here. We've got the sentiments that read happy everything and sending cheer. So very nice set to use all year round. And this is the coordinating die that will cut out your wreath and all your parts. Another single set that I have, this Happy Easter stamp set. Very, very cute. Little bunny hugging the Easter egg. We've got the sentiment, Happy Easter. And this one is really, really cute. This is called Rawr. Cute little dinosaurs with party hats. Perfect for birthday parties, especially for boys. Hope your day is dynamite. Rawr. That means happy birthday. That means I love you. And that means thank you. And then there's a wish big. And then we've got 3 single sets here, or 2 single sets. This is the gifted stamp set. And we've got large scripty fonts here. Yum, there's a to, there's a from, no peeking, made with love, freshly baked, XOXO, and OMG, and yay. And then we've got this one here, which is this one's called Loads of Happy. So you get your big happy, your big birthday, and then all these sentiments with the block design to go with that. And there's anything here from new baby to graduation to Mother's Day, Thanksgiving, St. Patrick's Day, Easter, new job. It's got everything in there. And then we've got a single die, and this one is the constellation. And then this one's a background, and this one is called the Leafy Frames die. Perfect for your Peekaboo Pal jungle friends there. So I will have the link down below to the Avery Elle section in the shop, and I'll try to remember to list this one as well so you can find this one easier, the outer space die. So thanks guys for stopping by. I really do appreciate it, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye guys!